What if the person hurting you is the same person smiling at you? Think about that. Some people do not arrive with warning signs. They arrive wearing charm like a mask. Sweet words, warm smiles, perfect timing. They know exactly how to make you trust them. But some people never show their real face in the beginning. They show the version that benefits them most. They may praise you in public, then disrespect you in private. They may look caring around others, but become cold when no one is watching. And most people realize it too late. The most dangerous people are not always loud. Sometimes they are simply pretending. Remember this: real goodness stays the same everywhere. Fake goodness changes with the audience. Be honest. If just 10 minutes could change your life, would you give it? My turning point was not dramatic. No seminar, no mentor, no motivational speech. One night, I looked in the mirror and realized the person disappointing me most was me. That night, I made one decision. I wouldn't change my whole life tomorrow. I would only change the first 10 minutes of my morning. Just 10 minutes. The rule was simple: no phone. The world could wait. First, I would work on myself. Every morning, I wrote down 3 things I was grateful for, what I needed to finish that day, and the kind of person I wanted to become. Honestly, the first day felt awkward. The second day felt boring. The third day, my mind said, "This won't change anything." And that was the dangerous moment, because most people quit when results are still invisible. They stop too early. They judge seeds before they become trees. But this time, I didn't quit, because I finally understood big lives are built by small habits repeated daily. Repeat one small habit for 30 days, and your future begins to shift quietly. After 1 month, my face looked the same. My room looked the same. My income looked the same. From the outside, nothing had changed. But inside, everything was changing. My room looked the same, but the man inside that room had changed. My mind was calmer. My thoughts were clearer. My focus was stronger. I started waking up earlier, sleeping earlier, scrolling less, procrastinating less, complaining less, taking action more. And the biggest change of all? I started trusting myself again. And once you trust yourself, everything changes. For the first time. Because when you keep promises to yourself daily, you build self-respect. And self-respect creates confidence. That's when I understood. Life is not destroyed in one day. It is destroyed through daily habits. And life is not built in one day either. It is built through daily habits. Every disciplined morning was turning me into someone stronger, slowly, quietly, powerfully. Some people can watch you suffer and feel nothing. They see your pain but remain silent. They know you are hurting but still use your weakness against you. When you need support, they criticize. When you need comfort, they disappear. When you need honesty, they act confused. This creates one-sided relationships. Your feelings matter less. Their feelings matter most. Real love listens. Real care notices pain without being asked. Be careful of people who hurt others, then sleep peacefully. Cruel hearts damage people slowly. Notice this: cold hearts often wear warm smiles, and that is why they fool so many people. The strongest move is not staying loyal to pain anymore. It is walking away from it. Many people stay too long hoping someone will change. But the truth is hard. You cannot fix someone who enjoys hurting others. You cannot love toxicity into kindness. You cannot heal where you are being harmed. So protect your peace. Set boundaries. Walk away from repeated lies. Walk away from disrespect. Walk away from emotional games. Choose people whose actions match their words. Choose calm over chaos. Choose honesty over excuses. Choose respect over control. Some people stay in pain too long. Strong people choose peace. And remember this: wisdom is not learning who is toxic. Wisdom is learning who deserves access to your life and who never deserved a place in it.